welcome to my channel. My name is Darnell, and today I'm going to be working on this 10 by 20 canvas. It's gallery wrapped, and I have the big push pins in the bottom to keep it up off the surface, so when it's drying it has airflow underneath, so it helps it not to crack. I'm going to do a blowout from the bottom. I'm going to put my colors and blow them up. My negative space is going to be, instead of white, it's going to be white with just a touch of Arteza Deep Violet. A very light lavender. Such a beautiful color. Okay, I'm going to get my base coat down and we'll get started. Alright, my first color is Arteza Deep Violet. Just covering the edge here and deciding how far up I want to go. So I'm just doing a little bit at a time. So I'm just going to go up just a little bit higher with it. So I want this to be the prominent color at the bottom. Alright. Okay, then I'm going to run just a little line of the background color here. Next up is Arteza Storm Purple. This here is Mystery Color. A little bit left over from a previous painting. I have no idea what it is. This one is Pearl Royal Purple from Arteza. Okay, then I'm going to add a little bit of the deep violet back up at the top. And this is just a little bit of white I'm going to throw in here. Okay. Then I have a little gold. This is Proj Posse paint. I'm just going to kind of do the top part like that. And this here is Grumbacher Deoxide Purple. This dries really, really dark. So I'm going to throw this down here at the bottom. At the top here, this is a white cell activator. All right. Okay, time for the blow dryer. So I'm going to scrape this bottom part here. It's too much of the dark. And I'll just add my royal blue back in. Okay, I think this came out amazing. I cannot wait to see it dry. I will go get my other camera and bring it in here and show you the wet results up close. It's beautiful.